Hey everyone, welcome back to Origami Twist and Merry Christmas 2019. It has been a very busy year and I hope you all have a wonderful relaxing day today and celebrate with family and friends, or if you're on your own, I hope you get some great crafting time in today. This particular video is going to be an origami house. And it is a flat traditional model that would work great on a card. So I was thinking, okay, it's perfect for thank you cards, for, you know, all of those wonderful Christmas treats that people have given us over the season. So it's a fairly straightforward one. I'm using a two-sided piece of paper, two-colored origami paper. You can use whatever you've got. Square paper is what we're working with. And here we go. So we're going to fold this paper in half, top to bottom, edge to edge, and crease. We're now going to fold the paper in half, and you really only need a guide mark here. So I like to just press it in the middle, though you can make a full crease if you want to, but we just need to know where the middle of the paper is. So once you've done that, you're going to open the paper up again. You'll see you have two squares side by side. We're going to bring the left edge into the middle and the right edge into the middle and crease for both. So I'll start with the right, come into the middle, don't overlap the center, but get it as close as you can, and crease. And same thing on the other side, edge into the middle and crease. Not looking much like a house yet, but you will see a major transformation in this next step. If you'll notice, you've got two flaps here. The one on the right is the one we're going to focus on first, and if you insert your finger into the middle and start to separate it, you'll notice that when you push it apart, you start to get a triangle at the top, and that's going to be that the beginning of that house shape. So push them apart, push the two flaps apart, and line up that crease with the actual middle crease line here. And when you've done that, you're going to crease that top to make what looks like a tiny house. But then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once again, insert your finger into that gap in the flap, spread it apart, line up the line with the middle line like so, and crease. And that is the entire house. Gives a little bit more dimension than just a single house there, and I hope you enjoyed that. You could put a little door on the front, some windows, and then attach it to a beautiful card as a fantastic thank you note. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I've got tons of different projects from beginning to intermediate to advanced on my channel, and thank you so much. We will see you again very soon for another video. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye.